Hello, my blessed people. I hope you're doing good. So, I've been wanting to grout my bathroom floor, and for some time now, I've been trying to do all kind of things to make it, become a bit looking good, because it has been dark, kind of dirty, dark, but it is as a result of using acid on the floor. So I bought white cement, so used white cement. White cement ratio of 2:1 with water. I mixed it up, and this is what I've been doing on this Sunday, because it was a very rainy day, and I thought to myself, I've been thinking about it for some time, but I didn't know how to go about it because it's something which I've never done, but just mixed it, and even I tried using this spatula on it, but it didn't go. It wasn't like functioning how I expected. So this is me mixing it up, and then you can see here I had done the bathroom, the shower area. I had done it, and that's how it looks. So what was remaining was the other part here of the toilet area. So yeah, so I got busy, and that's me and the spatula. But after some time it reached a place and I had to put it down and use my hand, but it was so tiresome, and it was my right now my thumb, is it no my thumb, this, what is the name of this, my index finger is paining at the tip. I don't know what happened to it. It's kind of, it got punctured or something in the process, but yeah, it's painful. The tip is a bit painful, but yeah, not much, just a bit, but I enjoyed doing this. So this is me. So yeah, you just apply, and then if I don't know if you can see how I'm doing. Yeah, so I apply, but at some time using hand I think is the easiest part, because I tried on the walls, and the spatula wasn't doing a good job on the wall. The spatula, only the thing it does is it will help you in applying this paste on those gaps, but you will not be able to, you're not able to, how do I say, fix it on that gap so well. Yeah, so at sometimes just do you. But I've seen, like, I checked on YouTube, and there are people who are using some kind of something like a plastic, a plastic kind of a plastic cutout in the shape of a rectangle, something like that. That's what I've seen many people applying with. Yeah, but for me, yeah, this is me. So this is me using the spatula. After the spatula, you see, yeah, fixing joint by joint. Yeah, I was very busy at work. You can't think it's me who says out there doing this money kind of manual job, but I got what to do. I have to do what I got to do. I have to do what I need to do, because if not this, I need to pay somebody to do this for me, and this is something I can do for myself. Why should I go about paying somebody else to do for me something which maybe I can do? So it's either I try it first, and if I'm not able to, then I can call somebody up. And also, being on a Sunday, it's my Sabbath, Yeah, I don't know what Sabbath means for you, but it's my rest day, and this is something which I did for my own recreation. I don't know. Have you ever seen somebody who works for fun? Like, you are working, like, you do something to feel nice. Yeah, this was me. So here I was done. I had to sit on the toilet there to take a rest, and then I started cleaning up the excess white cement, and this is after product. That's me. I'm a very proud person. I'm so proud, so happy with myself. Yeah, I did get to do I didn't lift the washing machine. I didn't take that tray there. But yeah, I just wanted to do, if I enter the bathroom, I need to see something that's looking amazing, and my bathroom is looking amazing now, and that's what I wanted, and that's what I got. So yeah, you can even try it out if you have your tiles are looking kind of ugly. If your tiles are kind of looking whatever that name is, not so good looking, this is something you can do for yourself on some spare time, when you have that free time. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah.